Meet Bernie. She wants a website to help her fitness business earn more revenue and increase membership, but she has no idea how to make a website. One day, she tries to build one herself, but it's keeping her up late at night and it's still missing basic features. Fortunately for Bernie, there's a better way. Introducing Startup Websites, a digital one-stop shop that uses modern web design and security to help your brand blossom while you focus on your job. But websites isn't all we can help you with. We can improve your page ranking on search engines, post regularly scheduled social media content, set up automations, like abandoned cart emails, create your brand logo, or make animated videos like this one. And we offer a flat rate per build. No hidden fees or surprise charges. To learn how startup websites can help improve your digital presence, call us or visit our website, and let us help your brand grow.